Hi class, Mrs. Calvi here. A quick review on finding the surface area of a pyramid. So I have the formula written here, and I also have a condensed version of the formula written here. So basically what we are doing, we are taking and calculating the area of the base of the pyramid, which is in the shape of a square. And the formula for area of a square is length times width. So that's where I'm getting the L times W. I am then going to be calculating the area of each of the four triangular faces. So this would be one triangular face. This would be another. The one in the back would be a third. And the one in front here would be a fourth. So there are four faces that are in the shape of a triangle and one base that is in the shape of a square. And we are going to calculate the area of each of those and basically just add those together. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with our formula and start plugging in. So I'm going to drop down my equal sign. I'm looking at my length of my square, which is 8 feet. And because it's a square, the sides are going to be the same length. So the length and the width are going to be the same. So I'm going to take 8. I'm going to multiply it by 8. Drop down my addition sign. The 4 is representing the 4 triangular faces. And I'm going to multiply that by the area of the triangular face. So again, the base is going to be my 8 feet. My height of my triangle is going to be 16 feet. And then I still have to divide that by 2. So I'm just using this formula up here. So I'm going to drop down my equal sign. I am going to drop down everything I'm not using yet because I have to follow the order of operations. Remember, this 4, when it's outside a set of parentheses, means we're going to eventually multiply that. But as of right now, I'm still opening up my parentheses. I'm going to do 8 times 16 first to get a total of 128. And then I'm dividing by 2 still. So I'm still rewriting my formula, dropping down my equal sign, dropping down the 8, the multiplication sign, the 8, the addition sign, the 4, open up my parentheses. I now need to do 128 divided by 2, which gives me 64. So according to order of operations, I currently have multiplication, addition, and this is multiplication. So multiplication comes before addition. So I'm going to multiply the 8 times 8 first. I'm going to get 64. Drop down the addition sign, drop down the 4, open up my parentheses, and the 64. So now I am left with addition and multiplication. And according to PEMDAS, we have to multiply first. So I'm going to scoop what I'm solving. I'm going to drop down my equal sign, drop down the 64, drop down the plus sign, and I'm going to do 64 times 4 to get 256. Then I'm just going to do my final operation. Take the 64 and add 256, and I get 320. My unit is feet, and surface area